I have this puzzle, Cafe Terrace at Night by Vincent van Gogh. I wanted to see if all the pieces were there. It says it's a 2,000 piece puzzle, but puzzle piece counts are approximations. So I wanted to find out if all the pieces were here to see if I needed to go ahead and invest the time to solve the rest of this puzzle. So what I did was I found all the straight pieces and all the corner pieces, and I solved the borders. I put the borders together. Then I counted the border pieces, and with this particular puzzle all the pieces are symmetrical, so that, not counting the corner pieces, there are 36 pieces on the shorter sides and 54 pieces on the longer sides. So 54, 36, 54 times 36 is 1944. So all the rows and columns in between should add up to 1,944 pieces. So what I did is I just made piles of 10, and some of the pieces were already put together. Actually, they were kind of put together from when I tried to solve the whole puzzle. So I had some that were already 2 pieces put together. So I made piles of 10. So there's 500, there's 500, there's 400, there's 400, there's 6 piles, 10 high with 2 pieces each, so that's 120. And then there's 2 piles of 10 for 20, and then 4 loose pieces for 4. And if you add that all up, the 400, 120, 500, 500, 420, and 4, that's 1944. So if you add that to the 184 border pieces, not forgetting to count the corners, and not counting the corners twice when you're making the multiplication to figure out what's in the middle, I end up with 2,128 total pieces. And I'm fairly confident that all the pieces are there because all the center pieces add up to exactly 1,944 pieces, which is what should be in the middle. So unless somebody surreptitiously switched one puzzle piece from this puzzle for another puzzle piece of another puzzle, I'm fairly certain that I've got all the pieces that I need to solve this puzzle, finish it off. So a 2,000 piece puzzle ending up with 2,128 total pieces. So there you go. Not all puzzles are going to be symmetrical like that and have, all the pieces that are going to be the same and come out in rows and columns, so you can't always do this, but in this particular case I could. So there you go.